well, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've got a video, so we're gonna do kind of a quick one today. I need to clean my air filter. So I've actually got stage 1 air cleaner kit on this bike where it's got a washable filter, and I've probably got about 5,000 miles and I haven't cleaned it yet. So I got the K&N filter cleaner recharge kit. Never done this before. So I've actually got an S&S Stealth intake. Pretty sure they all use the same kind of filters. It's like a K&N style. Definitely looks dirty. Need of a cleaning. Okay, so spray down the filter with the cleaner. Supposed to let this soak for 10 minutes, but not let it dry. Alright, so then next we just wash it off with cool, low pressure water from the inside out. Okay, next we'll let it dry. Okay, so I let the filter dry overnight. Last thing to do is to oil it. So part of the kit is this aerosol oil. You're supposed to spray it on the tops of all the pleats about 3 inches away, and then let the oil wick in for 20 minutes until it's an even color. So after I let that coat sit in, I did just touch it lightly with another. Looks like new again. Filter should be good for another 5,000 miles, I'd say. Thanks for tuning in, watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. See you next time.